Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this Patek Philippe 24 watch. I think that this watch has so many subtle and beautiful design details that really give it this overall sleek and elegant appearance. So to me, this design is all about the kind of streamlined appearance of the watch, and I think you can see this with the links on this bracelet having these two steps which are reflected in the case, and having these two steps which makes the transition from a bracelet to case back to bracelet very seamless and very beautiful. It's also got these diamond stripes down each side of the case, which I think gives it this really neat detail. Instead of doing it all the way around, it really highlights the diamonds and how special they are, and then reflects the diamonds on the face in a line. The black face and the onyx crown gives it this very modern appearance to me, but of course there's other design or dial options as well. I think overall this watch really speaks to the Patek Philippe design philosophy and gives it this really elegant appearance that can be worn every single day or pulled out for special occasions. So if you are looking to pick up this watch for yourself or for a loved one, check out our entire Patek Philippe collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.